Hey you guys, how's it going? I hope you are feeling really well today. So let's talk about the video series that we are working on right now. I'll split this video series into two parts, where in the first part we will learn about Laravel basics, and we will cover most used Laravel basics that will help us to build a simple web application. And in the second part of this video series, we will build together a simple web app. It will be a blog post, a very simple one where you can upload posts and edit them and delete them. So let's take a look on the web app that we will build at the end of this video series. So this is the landing page or the welcoming page that you saw in the default Laravel copy. I didn't touch that actually, but you can notice here that we have a login page and a registration page. So let's register with a new user. Let's call this user, for example, user2. I believe that I have user1 in my database. So user2 at user.com, and let's give him a password also. Okay, so we are in the system right now. We have an account with user2. All right, so let's see what posts we have in the system. So we have only one post that another user uploaded. Let's upload our own post. Let's say that this title, my first post. Let's give it a body. This is my first post body. All right, and let's submit this. We can find that the post is successfully added into our database. We can edit and delete this post. We can't edit and delete any other user's posts, but we can only edit our post, our own posts. So let's try to edit the post. Let's say, for example, updated, right? And also in the body, let's say updated. Oops, updated. So let's submit that, and we can see that the update is affected the database. Let's try to delete this post. You can see that the post is deleted successfully, and these messages goes when I refresh the web page. So this is the basic project that we will build during this video series. It's a very basic one, nothing complex in it, and I want to mention something about Laravel. Laravel makes things easy when the task you are doing is easy, and also makes things easy when the task you want to do is used in most of the web apps. For example, let's see the registration page or the login page. I didn't design this web page. I didn't touch it. I just attach it from the Laravel default packages. It's the auth package that I was talking about. These fields or these credentials are used in most web apps. If you want to customize them, you can do so. But these are the basic ones. So if you want to build a fresh new project, you don't have to copy the code that you write in the previous one or build things from scratch. You only plug in this package and you are good to go. So this is a very good thing for Laravel. It makes things easy and keeps you away from coding when you don't need to. If you want to customize these things, you can override every single function in this functionality. But if you don't have to, you will not need to code anything. So that's it with our video today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Bye.